is running parallel to principal axis. Can you suggest me under which condition it is? No, it's a completely conceptual, nothing to get confused. It is not about to getting confused. It is entirely, first of all, see on any concave mirror under which condition light ray, we have learned one thing, when incident ray is parallel to principal axis, after reflection it passes through focus. We know this? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Do we know the reverse of it? Do we know the reverse of it? Reverse principle of this, that is, in case of a concave mirror, if any incident ray is taken as if it is passing through focus, then does it go parallel to principal axis after reflection? Isn't it? This second possibility is the reverse of first one, yes or no? Tell me this much. This one is reverse of this or not? That we have done it or not? Fine. So that means here also I am doing the same thing, taking incident ray from object falling on the mirror, getting reflected parallel to the principal axis. So that means the first reflection at mirror at M1 following incident ray is passing through focus, yes or no? Because we know that it is the ray when passes, incident ray passing through focus, then only it can be parallel to the principal axis after reflection, and we are observing the same thing happens due to first reflection. We can see the same thing happens due to first reflection. That means object O is placed at the focus of the mirror 1. Object is placed at the focus of the mirror 1 with respect to first reflection, because we know that when light ray passing through the focus, then only it can run parallel to principal axis after reflection. So this suggests that O is at the focus of M1. O is primarily placed at the focus of M1, yes or no? Are you getting me or not? Are you understanding this? Fine. So that means first argument we have completed. If we draw the ray diagram, then this suggests yes, object and image can coincide at the same place, provided the first ray diagram suggesting that the object position is basically at the focus of M1. That we have confirmed with respect to mirror 1. Now, so that reflected ray which is parallel to principal axis, that is basically incident ray for the second mirror. The one which is reflected ray for the first case, isn't it? That is the incident ray for second case. So when it is the incident ray for second case, after reflection, we know that whenever incident ray is parallel to principal axis, so reflected ray passes through focus. So this is the mirror 2. This concept is available at mirror at M1. This principle is appearing at M1 and this principle is appearing at M2. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. This thing is appearing at M2, incident ray parallel to mirror, concave mirror. So after reflection it should pass through focus. Are you getting me or not? So that means it is understood that object is not only at the focus of mirror M1, it is at the focus of mirror M2 as well. Are you getting it? Object is not only at the focus of mirror M1, it is at the focus of mirror M2 as well. Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you understanding it or not? Object is at the focus of both M1 and M2. So the objective mirror M2. So this suggests that if object is at the focal position of mirror M1 as well as mirror M2, so this is object is F1 as well as F2. So this distance is F and this distance is also F. So that means D is equal to 2F. When D is equal to 2F, then it is possible that in case of two identical mirrors, in case of two identical concave mirror facing each other, if object is placed at midway between the separation, then yes, object and image can coincide, because image will also form at that point only, subject to the condition the mirror to mirror separation must be 2F. The mirror to mirror separation must be 2F. When that separation is maintained, then automatically object will be at the common focus with respect to both the mirrors. Then this ray diagram is permissible, and it can be said that the mirror to mirror separation 2F will justify object placed at the midpoint will have its image also forming at that same point only. Got it now? Fine. So this one I know it is little bit of tricky, conceptual, and but still I tried to explain this one, because this question gives us the understanding of these two things taken place in one situation. I mean, like in one question only. This is taking place at mirror M1 according to our diagram, and this is taking place at mirror M2, so that object and image are coinciding at the midpoint of separation between the mirrors. I hope you have understood each and every argument in today's class.